po, teacher.
Okay, what else?
Teacher! Yes, ang balance.
Okay, thank you. What else? Yes, Shini?
Keep quiet po, teacher.
Okay, can I expect that from all of you, class?
Yes, teacher!
Okay. So, meron ba tayong assignments?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, pass it forward. Count off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All your assignments are Erika, rather.
Windy day, teacher.
Yes, windy day, windy day. So our third weather condition is windy day. So please read, everyone. Windy day.
The sun is shining.
Clouds are slightly dark or clear, and the air is blowing hard, then it is a windy day.
So yung windy day daw ay paminsan-minsan is lumalabas yung araw and minsan is hindi. And ang pinaka-highlight dito is yung wind ay nag-blow strongly or strong. So, bakit hindi pwedeng ipapali pa rin yung kite sa rainy day? Bakit hindi pwedeng?
Teacher, masira po yung kite.
Okay, kasi masira yung guys. And hindi naman siya aangat because sa rain. Okay, on our last weather condition, what do you observe? Yes, your name? Yes, this is a cloudy day. So everyone, please read.
Cloudy day. If the sun cannot be seen, and there are plenty of slightly dark clouds, but the rain is not falling, then it is a cloudy day.
Yes, when we say cloudy day, ito yung maraming clouds na slightly dark or gray, pero hindi siya umuulan. Kung sa Tagalog pa is makulimlim, and then sa Bisaya, dagkong, and then sa Maranao parang same lang din siya. Ay, Muslim na. Okay. Ito yung yung example ng cloudy day. Yan. So, did you all understand class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now you already know what is weather and the different weather conditions. Let's have an activity first. But before that, let me present to you our rubrics. Our criteria. Can you please read everyone? One, two,
Unity and cooperation. 10 points. All members of the group were participated. Some members of the group did not participate in the activity. Fair. All members of the group did not participate in the activity. Content. Accurate. Good. Some content is pure and accurate. Fair. The content is not pure and accurate. Time management. Excellent. The first task finishes. Good. The second task finishes at the given time. Fair. The task did not finish at the given time.
So now, this will be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Now please select your leaders and reporter to represent your answers here in front. So leaders, come here to the front, please. Okay, I will only give you 2 minutes to finish your activity. Okay, you may now start. Sino tapos na? Mabilis na po sa Okay, finish or not finish? Face your work here. Sana group 3 and group 4. Wait lang, ma'am. Okay. Okay, sino yung reporter ng group 1?
Good morning, classmates. So the assigned task for us is to draw a sunny day. Sunny day. Then, number 2 is what activities can people do in this weather? So baking, swimming, and playing the park.
Okay. Bigyan natin ng ano, 3 claps yung group 1.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, group 2 naman.
So, nasa sa amin is draw the rainy day. So, ito, clouds and then ito yung mga tubig, flat. And then yung tanong, what do people wear or use to stay dry? Meron dito nakalagay umbrella, raincoat, and waterproof boots.
Okay, thank you. Again, bigyan din natin ng 3 claps yung group 2.
1, 2, 3!
Group 3 naman, reporter ng group 3.
Sa amin naman is about sa cloudy day. So, how does the sky look when it's cloudy day? Ito yung drawing namin. And yung tanong, how does it always rain? Does it always rain when it's cloudy day? Hindi po teacher kasi only big and dark clouds lang po can rain.
For the last group, ang reporter.
Valedictorian.
So, I can control what it really looks like. So, it is what the meeting will look like. So, may mga clouds then, it is a maitim then malakas ang hangin. So, what activities we can do with this weather? So, we can do a flying kite, playing with swimming, and also we can do surfing.
Wow! Bigyan din natin ng 3 claps ang group 4. So, ang nakuha ng group 1 ay sunny day. So, ito yung symbol ng sunny day. And then, yung mga activities na nakuha nila kanina is, ay, nilista nila kanina is, swimming, picnic, and then, playing,
natin.
Yes. Sa group 2 naman.
Oo. Sir kami number 2.
Yes. Ay, grabe naman kayo. So, tama din. And then sa group 3.
Sila, sir number 2 ba?
Group 3. Ano? Tama ba? Yes. So, for the group 4, yes, it is correct. Correct. So, now, I need 4 volunteers to answer here in front later on. But, sino yung naka-perfect sa grupo? Group 2 and group 3. Ang sunod ay ang group 4. Last is 1. So now, sino yung mga mag-volunteer? Mag-answer sa teacher. Steph, Mark, Bernardo, and Principe. Ako lang ulit. So yung una tinawag ko ay Chris. Steph kayo una. Sino pa to? Mark? Wow!
Boy, may reward ka, boy. Boy, may reward ka.
So sa number 1, tama ba yung sagot ni Steph?
Yes, teacher!
Tama. So the sun is shining brightly and the sky is clear. It is a
Sunny.
So sa number 2, si Mark, tama ba yung sagot niya?
Yes, it is
Yes,
wet.
because
And
it
water
is
is
wet
falling
and the
from the
water is
sky.
falling from the
Sky.
So sa pangatlo, sino nagsagot nito? Ako. Halina, tama ba sagot niya?
Yes, teacher!
Yes, tama, because the sky is full of clouds, but no rain is falling. So it is a windy day. For the last is, yan is up. Tama ba sagot niya?
Yes, teacher!
Yes, okay. Correct. So now, why do you think weather is important in our daily life? Bakit importante yung weather? Na malaman natin. Yes, Babuero.
Because if there is no weather teacher, hindi po tayo makagawa ng mga specific po yung mga
Okay, thank you. So, weather is important in our daily life because it help us to decide what to wear, kung ano yung activities na gagawin natin during that weather condition. So, what will happen if there is no sunny day? Ano mangyayari pag walang sunny day? Yes, sir? Yes, it will be dark. What else? Yes, sir, yan?
Hindi matuyo yung mga damit teacher.
Yes, hindi matutuyo yung damit natin. Ano pa? Yes,
Nakagain ng vitamins ang mga plants.
yes, very good. All your answers are correct. Kapag walang sunny day, yes, hindi matutuyo yung damit natin. Madilim, and then hindi mabubuhay yung mga halaman natin. Because
na magkaroon ng landslide? Kasi po
Okay, all your answers are correct. But may gusto ba sumagot? Yes, yung ano? Yes, extended din ang klase para sa safety ng mga bata. So kapag non-stop yung rain, first is yes, magbabaka. And then dito rin is prone masyado yung mga natin, yung pagsakit, yung mga sipon, yung ubo. And then kapag non-stop yung rainy day, yung maaari yung mga plants natin, especially yung palay, is hindi mabubuhay. Kasi nalulunod siya dahil sa sobrang dami ng umiihi. Now, what if there is a plenty of clouds and the sun is cannot be seen? What weather condition is that? Yes, Ryan? Cloudy day. Now, if the sun shines brightly and the sky is clear, what weather condition is that? Yes? Yes, so good. Sunny day. Ano naman yung if the sun cannot be seen and the clouds are slightly dark and gray and the rain is falling, what weather condition is that? Yes, Rhea? What weather condition is that po? Pag the sun cannot be seen and the clouds are slightly dark and the rain is falling. Rainy day. So last, if the sun shines brightly and the wind is blowing very hard, what weather condition is that? Yes, Carlo? Okay, if the sun shines brightly and the wind is blowing very strong, windy day again. So again, what are the different types of weather conditions?
Sunny day, rainy day, cloudy day, windy day.
Okay, give yourself a barangay clap. Okay, since I really understand our topic, it's time for quiz time. Now bring out your science notebook.
Doon ka na lang sa harapan para makita ko.
Congrats lang sa imong tapos ka nag-demonstrate. Very engaging no tong imong lesson tapos imong voice kay well modulated tapos ano ba? Tapos nice pud tong pinpoint mo tong mga wala na matigay na sa last. Tong ga patulog-tulog. Oh, ano to? Kamo lang to. Kamo na dugang.
Positive na comment ko is, me, tapos well-groomed, tapos has modulated voice, then maintain mo din ang eye contact. Then ang negative is, sa objectives mo, walang so smart, so then sa activity mo, before ka magpa-activity na yun, ka po dahil nagkakadari sa Luis mo. So sa walang ang suggestion no, about na may bigay ang target of sa likod. Yung sa scoring yung kanina ulo na sabi mo yung score. Pero kay Big so kailangan mo i-check sa dami para makita sa mga bata. Then sa positive naman, gawin ko lang po sa mga silang yung body siya at magawin na siya mga maganda yung pagkagawa ng thesis ko na yung nagdadala siya. Sa pagkatapos yung example no, sa mga
bakit siya bright? Anong nakagawa natin para yun pala? Then sa objective din nakita ko, wala pa ganun. Sa objectives nakita ko wala siyang naka-apply na smart. Apply doon siya lagi. Tapos the last one, may nakuha na daw si Arno. Kaya yung timer kanina, dapat i-acto siya doon sa bibigay mo na activity sa mga students. Kasi nga, 2 minutes yung binigay mo, tapos mga activity draw, and then answer na, may answer sila doon. And then, ang 2 minutes is not enough. Pwede yun siyang bio. Next time. Yun lang.
So let's begin with your voice. The first voice is nag-use ka ng actual videos para i-represent yung content ng content natin sa portrait ng mga students. So next, if we dapat sa next objective is naglagay ka ng time bound at dapat measurable. For example, first 5 minutes, 80% of the series. And also the art of questioning. Sa art of the questioning mo, dapat naka-cuts. And also the instructional materials must be organized. Para accurate siya sa mata, accurate siya tingnan ng mga photos. Kasi mabasa yun. Another is voice must consistent. So kapag may energy ka sa first pala, dapat consistent siya magugulo para siya mawala yung excitement ng mga students. And also, you must further discuss the output of the speakers para mas maintindihan nila yung content ng yung. So, last one is minor lang. Dapat i-call mo yung mga pupils mo sa kanilang first week.
Kana?